Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. In today's video, we will discuss the entire process of transferring money from BankMobile to Cash App. The BankMobile app is a banking service provided by BM Technologies, which is widely used by college students. However, most people don't know the process of transferring money from BankMobile to Cash App. In this detailed video, we'll discuss this in depth and explain the step-by-step process. To learn the complete process, we're taking you to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. If you're a Cash App user, this website is very helpful because it provides solutions to thousands of Cash App related issues. On this website, there's an article titled How to Transfer Money from BankMobile to Cash App in a Few Simple Steps. When we scroll down the article, we find a section explaining the compatibility between BankMobile and Cash App. One of the subheadings is How to Transfer Money from BankMobile to Cash App. Complete Guide. Here, it is explained that BankMobile does not provide a direct option to transfer money to Cash App. If you wish to transfer an amount from your BankMobile Vibe to Cash App, you need to link your BankMobile Vibe account to Cash App. Below is a step-by-step guide to link BankMobile Vibe to Cash App. Below that, all the steps to link BankMobile to Cash App are shown, along with images to make it easier for you to understand. Look at the first step they mention. You first need to open Cash App and click on the profile icon button at the top right corner as shown in the image. When you scroll down, the next step is to link your debit card. You need to click on Link Debit Card in Cash App, then scroll further and you will see the option to link a debit card where you'll need to enter your card number, CVV code, etc. There's also a button at the bottom called No Card. Click on the No Card button. As soon as you click on the No Card button, you'll see the option for bank accounts. All types of banks will appear here. You need to search for BankMobile Vibe. If you can find it, type BankMobile Vibe into the search bar and it will appear. Click on it. After clicking, enter your email ID and BankMobile password to log in. Once authenticated, your BankMobile Vibe will be connected to Cash App. Next, click on Add Cash and enter the amount you want to add. Then, in the payment method, select the BankMobile Vibe account you just linked. This way, the amount in your BankMobile account will be transferred to Cash App. These steps are quite simple. However, if you still face any issues, feel free to contact us. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have some more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.